Up first this evening, former National Security Minister Dwight Nelson is dead.
He died Monday morning and was 72 years old. He was battling illness for some time.
More in this report from TVJ's Dwayne Anderson.
Tributes to the former government minister, senator and trade unionist were led by Prime Minister Andrew Holness, who described Mr. Nelson as a true friend and someone who was always willing to give of himself in the service of his country. During his time in the public service, Mr. Nelson served as Mr. Holness's chief of staff while he was opposition leader. The current leader of opposition, Dr. Peter Phillips, has also extended his condolences. Dr. Phillips says Mr. Nelson gave sterling service to the Jamaican working class for over 50 years as a trade unionist. He recalled his role in the negotiation of the first Government of Jamaica and Trade Union Memorandum of Understanding MOU in 2004 during difficult economic times. He says although a senior member of the Jamaica Labour Party, Mr. Nelson's leadership of the Confederation was devoid of partisan politics and in the best interest of the working class. And the head of the Hugh Lawson Shearer Trade Union Education Institute, Danny Roberts, says Mr. Nelson has left an indelible imprint on the landscape of industrial relations in Jamaica.
Dwight Nelson was a quintessential trade union functionary who stood at the heart of the renewal and change that saw fractious and divisive trade union movement finding common cause with itself and rising above the political fray to restore the primacy of working class interests. He was among the first chairmen of the Joint Trade Unions Research Development Center who understood the value of education and the benefit of research in advancing the cause of labor in the process of national development.
Recall could suggest that one is saying it was never said.
And
I can't remember. Would suggest that it might have been said, but you cannot remember.
He figured prominently in the high-profile extradition controversy surrounding Christopher Dudus Coke and the 2010 police military operation in Tivoli Gardens. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.